Here's how we make a super easy vegan Salisbury steak with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. First things first, we're gonna make some garlic oil. So add some olive oil on top of some peeled garlic and cover and stick it in the oven at 350 degrees. Now we're gonna cut up some peeled Yukon gold potatoes and we're gonna put them in a pot of water. Next, we're gonna add some carrots and some asparagus into a steamer. We're also gonna cut up some mushrooms. Boil those potatoes and get those veggies steaming. Into a pan with olive oil, we're going to add 2 Beyond Burger patties. After a few minutes of cooking, make sure to flip them until they look like this. Into that same pan, we're gonna add a little more olive oil and now we're gonna add our red onions. In the meantime, our oven garlic should be done. Look at that, doesn't that look good? So now we're gonna work on our mashed potatoes. So once your potatoes are cooked, just mash them down. Now we're gonna add all that delicious garlic goodness into our mashed potatoes. This is gonna give it amazing flavor. Just make sure you add plenty of salt to taste. And look at how smooth these potatoes are just with some olive oil. That was so easy. Now into the pan, we're gonna add some more olive oil and now our mushrooms are gonna go in. And now we're also gonna add back in those onions from before and we're gonna season them with some thyme, some garlic powder, and some seasonings of your choice. Now give everything a good mix until well combined. To make the gravy for the sauce, we're adding a lot of liquid aminos. This will give it good flavor without adding too much sodium. Next, we'll add a little slurry of cornstarch and oat milk to thicken it up. Now we'll put those Beyond Beef patties back in the pan and we can add all of those delicious onions and mushrooms right on top. Now that the steamed vegetables are done, we're just gonna saute them a little bit in the pan, but this step is totally optional. Now it's time to get everything on a plate. And there we have a delicious vegan Salisbury steak with a homemade gravy, delicious Yukon gold potatoes, and steamed vegetables. I just love the way that the onions and the mushrooms got so caramelized in the pan. And those mashed potatoes were completely out of this world. The vegetables probably didn't need to be sauteed. They did get a little bit overcooked, but they were still very tasty. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipes.